Welcome to a bite-sized dive into the architecture of Kubernetes, a powerful tool for managing containerized applications. Kubernetes operates on a master-slave architecture, with the master node being the heart of the system. It comprises four key components. First, the API server, which is the front-end interface of the Kubernetes control plane. It processes RESTful commands to manage the cluster. Second, the controller manager, which runs the controllers, essentially background threads that regulate the cluster state. Third, the scheduler, deciding which pod goes on which node based on resource availability. Lastly, etcetera, the ultimate source of truth in Kubernetes, storing all cluster data. On the other hand, worker nodes run the applications. They contain a kubelay, responsible for maintaining pods, and a kube proxy, managing network traffic. Remember, Kubernetes is an orchestration tool, coordinating a symphony of containers to create a harmonious application environment.